really don't want no bear or no coyote or no lion or tiger running up behind me. Hey guys, I'm Antoinette Yvonne, the luxury nomad, and this is my Van Zion. A tremendous goal of mine was to break away from the norm and live life how I desire and where I desired it to be. We are now walking through the city of Jerusalem. Who would have thought this ex-expat would be living in a van full-time, exploring more of her own backyard? After spending the entire summer home in the Midwest, I've gotten the necessary upgrades my van needed, and we're back on the road again. Join me on today's video as we normalize the luxury to live free, despite our fears. Cheers to doing it anyways. Guys, this video was proudly sponsored by Athletic Greens. We'll get into more on how they're helping me make better health choices in just a little bit. Guys, hello, good afternoon. It's afternoon. How y'all doing out there in the house tonight? I have officially arrived in the Sedona area, and my teeth look white. Okay, come through, white TV. Officially arrived in the Sedona area. As you can see, I've set up camp. And this may just be home for the next 2-3 days, depending on Jasmine.
I can hear you.
Oh, you can hear?
30 feet away from each other.
Oh, okay. Welcome back to the vlog.
What's up?
I am officially set up, and I'm so excited for tonight. I can't wait for the sunset. I can't wait for our fire. We got some firewood. She got some capriccio. I got some water because it's hot. I remember the first time my mom came and graced us with her presence on the vlog. We shot up the red rocks and had that beautiful view. Just check it. Look at my view. Disturbing her little session, whatever she's doing on there. Hey, Danette. Hey. Anything to say to the Instagram folks?
I'm losing my lash.
Okay, bye-bye. We're essentially at that spot, but we didn't go drive up as far. So there are lots of tour ATVs driving back and forth, and so they're just looking at us like, what's going on? And we're just living out here rent free. Jasmine got a new chair, guys.
Fancy.
Oh, okay. Well, let me try.
You want to try?
Yes. It is very fancy.
It's got luxury in the name, I'm just saying.
Oh, gosh. Oh, you guys know we're the luxury nomad. Okay, here we go. Is that how it's supposed to go? I feel uncomfortable. Well, you like to put your feet up and your limb like that. I didn't ask her to correct me, y'all.
You never did, but I did.
She's limber, and I'm not limber. She'll be having her feet propped up and stuff like that. But, you know, well, I'm glad I got to try it. Can't you see I'm talking to my friends on the vlog? Anywho, let's set up Jasmine's moonshade and just enjoy the rest of this beautiful night here in Sedona. Oh, okay. Maybe that's why I didn't get this.
Been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is dig out a deeper hole in this fire ring, build up some more rocks for a higher wall so we can have a safe fire. Only you can prevent forest fires. The lights are up, the ambiance. You can hear the coyotes howling. JK, LOL. And I'm about to start the fire. Oh, God. Oh, okay. Okay.
That was so inspirational.
Tonight's dinner is a grilled turkey cheese sandwich. That's all I had the strength for. Oh, look at the fire. It's so great. I'm quite proud of myself.
You should be. I too am proud.
Thank you. You see, cars are just rolling by. Well, this is what tonight consists of: a fire, dinner, and watching the cars go by. Anywho, I'll see you guys in the morning. Middle of the night. I heard a bark, a howl, or something, and I could have sworn it was ice. And normally I hear ice from my van. I hear whatever Jasmine's doing inside, all that rumbling and carrying on. I do. I was like, does ice bark? I just asked her if ice barked, and she said no, it was coyotes. So we had some neighbors last night, which is cool. We were safe in our vans, but they were loud. I could have sworn it was next door. I could have sworn it was ice. Girl, it's too much energy this morning. No, why you gotta come running into me? Being that the sun is out and warming us up, it's time for me to get dressed. I'm filming an updated van tour today. It'll be out before this video, so if you haven't seen the updated van tour, explanations of things that I have in my van, even the drawers and the refrigerator and things like that, then go on over and watch that video. That'd be greatly appreciated. But I think it's time for me to get dressed. Wash this face, shower, do something to this hair, and then start production. When I first got on the road, I found it a little difficult to keep a healthy routine. And even now, it's not an easy task. I mean, sure, there are days more often than none where I enjoy my junk food. But living in a van full time and constantly on the go, I really need my energy levels at its all-time high, which is one of the reasons why I've introduced Athletic Greens into my life. Built around their mission to empower everyone to take ownership of their life, Athletic Greens has found a way to bring comprehensive and convenience to just about everybody. Taking a bunch of pills and vitamins can be hard on the stomach sometimes. And although I like to incorporate a gummy form nowadays, it's still difficult for me to keep up with it. Athletic Greens has developed a better approach to providing your body with everything it needs for optimal performance. Being that I'm not athletic, it's for lifeleets. Get it? It's for the busy mamas or dads, my sisters, my cousins, them, or on-the-go travelers like myself. It has 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food source superfoods, probiotics, and adaptogens in one daily serving. How convenient, right? This special blend helps your body's nutritional needs and support the gut, immunity, energy, which is my favorite, recovery, focus, which I've been needing lately, and aging, which I'm actually doing well in that department. I kid. What I do is add 1 scoop or one of the travel packs into 8 ounces of water. This gives me support throughout the day with energy, as it has a natural form of B12, digestion and gut, helping me get my probiotic intake for the day, and immune support. Now, because y'all are my friends and friends help friends live better, healthier lives, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for you to get your AG1 immunity bundle, which comes with 1 year supply of vitamin D and 5 individual travel packs for free with your purchase. Alright guys, officially dressed and feeling this heat. The sun is right there and it's like sunning down on me. Rain on me. So you get it? It's sunning down on me. Guys, the day has been passing so quickly, and I am making me a burger, a bunless burger actually. I really wish I had some fried chicken, but we're not gonna sing our shoulda, coulda, wouldas right now. You got yours, we got ours. Jasmine and I are about to go on an action walk.
Why are you calling it that?
Why are you calling it that?
Adventure.
Adventure walk. Adventure walk with some action. She always want to correct somebody. She's very much something. See, that's why I want to talk to her, because she's always trying to find something. Very much something to talk about. How you feel about your walk?
I'm here for the pictures, not the walk.
Oh gosh, okay. Oh, I ain't got no bra on.
The girls is girling.
It is girling. This is our view, guys. Like, how pretty is this? It's very much something. How do you feel about your first official spot at a BLM?
This one was way better. Successful. And we heard coyotes.
We did.
So that's the selling point for me.
Oh, okay.
I mean, the nice fire and stuff was cool. Great company, but Coyotes.
I did a great fire.
Feel it? That's uncomfortable. Swipe, 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 swipe.
Swipe, 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 swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands, rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Swerving, making cash.
Okay.
Yes. Guys, I've been trying to channel my inner, what's it called? America's Next Top Model. You know how to be jumping in action, blah, blah. I think we got the content.
With fire. Look at your legs in that one.
Okay, we got it. Now let me get some of Jasmine. Can't see me.
Look at your face right before.
I think we got it. All right, guys. Mission successful. Now we have to collect some wood. We're campers because we only have 3 logs left for the night.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never back it down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
Johnny's struggling.
You got it. All right, guys. This is the wood that we collected. I think we're good. All right, guys. It is settle down time. We have my lovely fire. Just a fire, and it's so pretty. Very much something. This is what our night will consist of. Our dinner, I have a leftover patty. Ice in our faces.
Yep.
Jasmine has her lentils.
You got your shade?
And we have our fire, and it's just a vibe. And a vibe, and a vibe.
Till the Coyotes come.
And then we'll be inside. This concludes tonight. Who knows what we're going to be up to tomorrow, but we'll see you then. Good night. Good morning, guys. Today is a glorious day in the land of BLM, or the land of BM, because it's Bureau Management Land. We are leaving today, and we actually have something exciting that we possibly are going to be doing.
Baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say? Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me.
This is a long, rocky 30-minute drive. But here we go. I love this place. Like, look at my view. This was our driveway. Our view. Driveway view. Okay, guys, so we are finally here. We made it to our destination, and I'm really excited because we are about to go ATV riding. I get so excited with things like this. I'm really excited because I get to explore the trails that I've been camping at for the last 3 days. It's gonna be a good one. But unfortunately, y'all have to wait until next week's video for that specific adventure. I want to thank Athletic Greens for supporting this channel. The AG1 is the quickest, the easiest, and the tastiest healthy habit to fill your nutritional gap. And for my virtual international friends, it's also available in Canada, the UK, and Europe. I love Europe. So don't forget to click the link in the description box to get your healthy habit. Okay. So since I'm going to be away from the van for at least 4 hours, it's time for me to lock up my valuables, put some things away, and get this adventure started. Guys, I appreciate y'all. Until next time, here is to normalizing the luxury to live free despite our fears. Casting, okay. Casting, okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Girl, why would you come sit in my legs? I just can't get away. She's literally obsessed with me. I love her, but like, it's like the babies. You know the babies, how you can't get away from them. They go everywhere. They want everything. They all up under you. That's ice. We love you, mama. Yeah, that baby. That baby. We actually picked a nice spot. Yes, I was just about to tell them that. Jeez, God, let me get it out of my mouth. Jasmine found it. First timer. Glasses or no glasses? Oh, the sun is blinding me though. Tonight's dinner is a turkey cheese, a grilled turkey cheese. Can you focus please on me?
Tikka masala.
Sounds lovely. Literally waiting for me over on this side of the van. This is ridiculous. You got caught red-handed. You did. Red-handed. Caught. Did nobody tell you to be over there? Nobody at all. We don't want no coyotes in the background. No coyotes in the background. No coyotes in the background. If y'all see somebody, say swipe or no swiping. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. It's okay. I have no idea.
What's your envelope on our shirt?
For what? Go back in the shade, sweet pea. Yeah, see, cause you moving a camera. Then go back over there. We can't say that on here.
You just said it.
Oh well, it's gonna be edited. Editing.
We're criminals.
Bloopers.
No back, you go shopping with your ATM.